Okay, so here we are in the current master bathroom, and we had some feedback from the client as far as what their existing tub was like, and it was pretty interesting. They have a large sunken tub here with a surround, which is so large, it takes up so much of the flooring space. So we are going to be installing a freestanding tub here, which will eliminate all of this and give them lots of room. And this wall here, we're going to be opening it up and putting in a glass panel so you can see into the shower, which anybody knows when you add glass or mirrors, it makes the space seem much larger. We're going to be retiling the shower. And then moving on to the closet, we are going to be giving her some much more functional space, as you can see here in the renderings. They have a lot of hanging space, but they didn't have any drawers or anything to put things in. So we're going to be giving them a beautiful new built-in and just kind of reconfiguring this closet to make it much more functional for them. We are doing all of the bathrooms in the house kind of as a facelift. So painting the cabinets, new countertops, fixtures, new tile on all the showers. Which is going to be really great. And then also in the living room, we can head back over there and show you what we're doing to the fireplace.